everyone, welcome back. To register for Barclays Mobile Banking, begin by downloading the official Barclays app from your App Store. Then, once you've downloaded it, open the app and select the option to register or sign up. Then, go ahead and click on apply for an account or verify identity. You're going to apply for an account and choose whether you are opening a personal, business, investment, or personal saving account. Once you've done choosing, go ahead and click on choose an account and then follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity using a one-time security code. Accept the privacy and policy and then you choose the card you want to use to set up the app and then enter your first name, last name, your date of birth and create your login credentials and choose a secure password. Once registration is complete, you can log in into the app and start using your mobile banking features, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.